Nano direct offering dimension does again to us poor shareholders. We're going to be going over the implications of this along with my current price targets and the technical analysis, starting with the price action. We did bleed a little bit today, okay? God bless the hearts of these poor people who sold at 1340. This is why you do your due diligence and don't just blindly trust people. Don't trust anyone on YouTube. Don't trust me. Don't trust anyone else you watch. Do your due diligence. Be objective. See if you agree with them, and realize none of this is financial advice. If you bought a dip in here, congratulations. I did not wake up at 3 a.m. Central Time, unfortunately, but I was able to add some shares around here at like $14.20 roughly. Okay, so congratulations to anyone who bought the dip here or established a new position and actually made their first buy of Nano Dimension. This is a great stock in my opinion long term. We're going to be going over the price targets exactly, but there's not really much price action to dissect, guys. I mean, hourly RSI, we're looking at 49.52. We're on the oversold side, almost neutral though. Okay, one interesting thing, one of the only interesting things about today, our volume was insanely high. Okay, I did predict in the comments. I did not predict this in the video, but if you go back to the last Nano video, in the comments, I did reply to someone asking about the offering possibility. I did basically predict this perfectly. I said if there was an offering, it would just be like basically all the other offerings. Everyone would just be buying the dip like we do with Nano Dimension. Okay, that's what happens historically. Okay, I think this was an offering, this was an offering, and maybe this and this. I'm not sure exactly. Okay, I don't study stocks every day, right? I mean, I do study stocks a lot, but not like enough to know all the offering spots, right? But historically, the stock recovers very well with offerings. This is why I was so ready to make that prediction in the comments that if we had an offering, that's bad short term, but long term it's good. Actually, I think offerings are actually good long term, and everyone would just be buying a dip. I added 50 shares. That's what we're looking at. There's really nothing else to go over. I mean, this level of resistance will be acting, or well, it was support. Now it's going to be acting as a resistance, as this is a confirmed breakdown. If you're looking for an entry point right now, $14.50. Going all the way to tomorrow's closing, you're going to be looking at $15.40. Those anywhere on this ascending level will treat you extremely well. I think there's like a less than 5%, probably less than a 1% chance of us breaking below this ascending trend line. That's just my opinion, not financial advice. I can be wrong. Okay, I highly doubt that we will be going below that though. Taking a look at the news today. Okay, they do what they do best, right? They do another offering, okay, for God's sake, right? But, it's what we get, okay? And actually, guys, don't freak out, though. This is actually a good thing, all right? This is a good thing, okay? Here's why it's a good thing, I think, okay? All right? Yeah, they had a ton of offerings. Yeah, they have a ton of cash, but overall, it might be a good thing, okay? Here's why. The gross proceeds of this offering will be approximately $500 million. Okay, that's a lot of money that they can use for a lot of good things. The company intends to use the net proceeds and working capital and general corporate purposes, but also possible business combination transactions. Okay, acquisition. Are they hinting to a possible acquisition here? Who knows? A lot of possibilities here. But also, guys, look at this. Closing of the registered offering is expected to take place on February 18th. Okay. This is Thursday. It's closing very soon. All right. So just know that if you are looking to get a position, historically in the past, right around when it closes, usually like right before or right when that happens, roughly, the stock will spike up. Okay, literally on every offering. I think on every single offering in the last 5 months, it recovers quickly and way higher than it was before the offering. Okay, I could be wrong on that, but I do believe that is true. Let me know in the comments if that is wrong, though. Taking a look at FinViz, okay, this is the short float. This is the short interest of the float. I don't know when this was last updated, okay, but according to FinViz, of the float, the short interest of the float, the amount of shares that have been sold short and have not been covered yet is 30%. This is extremely high. I don't know if this is based on if this is updated every day or, well, I mean, I know the say is updated every day, right? It's updated every second, right? But I don't know if this was based on the last short interest, like the twice monthly short interest they have to file for the NASDAQ. That's how most stocks do it, I believe. But 30%. Either way, even if this is a little inaccurate, that's a lot. Okay, I guarantee you, there's a lot of shorts that have not covered. Hopefully, a lot of them covered today. If they don't, they're about to lose a lot of money, in my opinion. But this is a bullish sign in my opinion. Okay, the more shorts there are, the more people that will have to buy back their shares eventually. And once the shorts once the shorts close their position, right, there's no more pressure artificially pushing the stock down, right? So that's pretty much what we're looking at. Okay, Nano Dimension. yeah, we're looking pretty rough on the March 4th price target. By the way, these are not current prices. Okay, I'm not going to be updating these every 10 seconds. Okay, I would drive myself mad pretty quickly, I think. But March 4th price target, guys, I've already hit 5 out of 7 of these, but don't expect, yeah, with Nano Dimension, it's kind of testing our patience, okay? But again, we're only like halfway to March 4th, okay? It's been less than 2 trading weeks, I think. It's been like 1.5 trading weeks since I put this video out, detailing on February 5th. I put this out, detailing my exact March 4th price target and my exact end of year and end of year bear and bull case scenarios for all 6 of these stocks. And then I added this one. I think this one I added pretty soon after. I'm not sure. Yeah, I added that one pretty soon after, but yeah, we are testing. Our patience is being tested, guys, but just hold strong. I am still very confident in this March 4th price target. Okay, I can be wrong. That's not financial advice, but I am still extremely confident in this March 4th price target. So that's what we're looking at. I didn't make any transactions today as far as my current price targets, except I took profits on half of my AGTC position, and I also added like 50 shares of Nano Dimension. That's all I did today. As far as my current positions, okay, this is what we're looking at on the day. I'm up like $2,000 on the day, I believe. Yeah, this is what we're looking at. This is my account. Okay, you can see. Okay, you compare this to the last video. Okay, no other YouTuber will do this to you. We'll show you guys this, by the way. Okay, this is what I'm looking at. Yeah, you can see AGTC. Okay, I sold half my position now. Okay, I used to have like total cost of like $2,000 or $3,000 something, I think, and now it's only $1,000 because I took profits on half of it, right? Yeah, Nano I add a little bit, and that's the only difference. That's what we're looking at. Obviously, it was a great day in the market, right? So yeah, that's what we're looking at. Relevant information in regards to the title has finished now. Feel free to click off, my friends, if you have better things to do. Extra useful information. I will make mistakes, guys. I don't want you guys to just like be, oh my gosh, it's over now. The run we had was over right when I like make a mistake as far as one of these price targets. I know most of you understand this, but this is mostly for the beginners who don't really understand how the market works yet. Guys, no one is perfect, okay? There's a high chance that one of these stocks will probably be wrong. I mean, honestly, I don't even believe that. I'm so confident I don't even believe that. But I mean, there is a chance, okay? And no one is perfect, okay? So I'm going to be wrong eventually, okay? I was wrong with Nano Dimension on the last video, right? I said we were probably not going to break this level of support, and we did, right? I completely forgot to go over the possibility of an offering because I was just not thinking. But I did predict that perfectly in the comments. But okay, guys, it's still true that I'm going to make mistakes. Okay, I've made mistakes before. I've been wrong before, and I will be wrong in the future. So just realize that, and don't expect me to be perfect, and don't expect to make insane gains like I am making freaking. What did I go up today? I don't know, like 20%, 30%. I don't know. I made like $2,000 today. Okay, last Friday my account was at like 12,000. Now I'm at 14,000. Okay, here's my positions. Okay, look at this. Okay, this is why I'm up so much, right? 30% microvision. Yeah, this isn't a joke, guys. You can make serious money in the stock market, but don't expect me to not make mistakes. I'm going to make mistakes, but overall, over the long term, guys, we're going to make a ton of money if the market continues to be at least slightly bullish or just goes flat. If the market just goes flat for the rest of the year, I think there's a 99% chance we hit every single one of these price targets. I'm serious. I mean that. But of course, it's not financial advice. Okay, be careful in the comments. Bitcoin bots are here. What does my name auspicious descent actually mean? So auspicious basically means conducive to success / favorable, and descent means like a contrarian opinion or an unorthodox opinion. Excuse me. So yeah, it basically means conducive or favorable contrarian opinions, and that contrarian opinion being how to make money in the stock market is by going in place like these. Okay, Dave Ramsey or mainstream people or just your average Joe on the street, or on a majority of the time, your average Joe on the street is going to be like, yeah, that's dumb. You're gambling. Day trading is not statistically favorable. You're not favorably. Okay, this is not day trading, first of all, but you can make good money day trading. Okay, I know plenty of day traders that get by very nicely. Okay, most of what they say about day trading is not true. Most of what they say about investing is not true. In my opinion, you can disagree with me. That's fine. But yeah, this is how I do it. Okay, that's the descent, and it is auspicious. Okay, you guys have seen my account growth, right? Just go back and watch the first video. Okay, y'all can see my growth. Okay, let's look at my cumulative profit and loss for 1 month. Okay, 118%. Okay, that's more than Dave Ramsey makes in 5 years. Literally. I mean, literally. Okay, yeah, of course I can lose all this tomorrow. Okay, do I think that's going to happen? No. If I did lose a lot tomorrow, would I panic sell? No, because I've done my due diligence, I've done my research, and I've been doing this. I've been investing for an auspicious amount of time, my friends, I'm telling you. I truly do appreciate the overwhelming majority of comments, which are extremely positive. Y'all are absolutely outstanding. Y'all are incredible people down there in the comments. And you guys will remember this time when we are having a small channel. Oh, yeah, by the way, yes, I'm ranting right now, but I'm allowed to rant in the irrelevant section. You are at my mercy, my friends, when you are watching this irrelevant section, okay? But yeah, I truly do appreciate your comments, guys. Please do not hesitate to call me out on something if I'm missing something. Use several brokers. Y'all know the advantages, okay? If my experienced traders already know this, but for the beginners, using several brokers is very advantageous to your investing level, in my opinion, investing knowledge, investing level. Okay. This is one reason, okay, if you don't have after-hours trading or pre-market trading, okay, you use Webull. I have a link in the description. You will get free stocks as well, okay? It's kind of the perfect hookup. You're welcome. If you want to take advantage of that, feel free to. But this is one of the advantages, okay? Also, they do offer a Roth IRA as well. But also, comment what stocks I need to cover next. Follow stocks you own on Reddit and Twitter. And just know that you can comment any question. I will answer them. I will look at, and I do miss some comments sometimes on the replies because I don't check that very much. But if you make a new comment, I will probably see it. And also, guys, know this: the future does not consist of me asking for likes or subs or changing or becoming like a normal finance YouTuber. I'm not like any of these finance YouTubers. Okay, there's only a few YouTube finance YouTubers that I actually respect, and of course, I don't even know these people. I'm just seeing what they put out online. But based on that, I only respect a few of them, and that shows you how skeptical y'all need to be when you're watching these people, and that includes myself. Be skeptical to everything you hear. And just be careful out there, okay? Because a lot of finance YouTubers, in my humble opinion, are not as real and legit and as making as many gains as they say they are. Okay, one reason they don't even show their accounts. Like, why wouldn't you show your account? That's like the ultimate way to be transparent. Okay, there's no risk in doing this. Literally, like, y'all can't even see my account number. Okay, right when I figured out how to edit the screen to where y'all couldn't see my account number, I literally showed you my account. So, yeah, this is one reason why I think they are not as transparent as they make you seem, as they want themselves to appear. And what you can do to make no ads, no asking for likes or subs or BS that we hate here on the channel is just support the channel. It's a little hypocritical. I know. But you guys know. Okay, and I'm allowed to be hypocritical in here, okay, because this is the irrelevant section. This is basically I do whatever I want in this section, okay, with a couple helpful tips that are important to new beginners especially. So yeah, if you want to support the channel, you will be directly affecting the new YouTube standard, which I will be making happen in the next few, hopefully, weeks to months. Hopefully we'll be seeing some exponential growth, and we can actually make other finance YouTubers change the way they make their videos, because we don't want them to waste our time. I don't want them to waste my time when I'm watching their stuff, okay? Because I still watch other YouTubers, okay? I watch a little bit still, okay? So I don't want to go through them asking. I don't want to hear them asking for likes when I'm trying to get the technical analysis. You know, that's not fair to the viewer, in my opinion, okay? But that's all. That's my rant is on. My rant is over, okay? Thank you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one.